Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Baby Doge Coin on Crypto.com. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Crypto.com account. This process is straightforward, usually taking just a few minutes to complete your identity verification. Once your account is fully verified, you'll be ready to fund it and start trading. It's important to have this step completed before proceeding to ensure a smooth transaction process for your cryptocurrency purchases. Next, you'll need to fund your Crypto.com account. You have a couple of options here. You can deposit fiat currency directly using a bank transfer or link a debit card for instant purchases. Another way is to transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet into your Crypto.com account. Make sure you have enough funds, perhaps $25 to $50, to cover your desired Baby Doge Coin purchase and any associated fees. Now that your account is funded, it's time to find Baby Doge Coin. Open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Track or Market section. There, you'll find a search bar. Simply type in Baby Doge Coin or its ticker symbol, Baby Doge. Once you see the correct listing, tap on it to view its current price and other market information. This ensures you are selecting the authentic asset for your investment. Finally, you're ready to complete your purchase. On the Baby Doge Coin page, tap the prominent Buy button. You can then enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to spend or specify the quantity of Baby Doge Coin you want to acquire. Review all the order details carefully, including the price and any fees, before confirming your transaction. Your Baby Doge Coin will then appear in your Crypto.com wallet within moments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.